So I am in the train station in Tbilisi, and I am heading to Yerevan. And she was smiling at me. Hello. Make sure I don't have any boogers. Or film from here. How's that? Okay, so I am under the gun to do a border run before September 23rd, and it's early. I mean, it's August 8th, and I'm going to do it just because it's been bugging me. And September 23rd will be here lickety-split. So I figured let's just schedule it and get it done. Annual border run that I have to do. I have to leave the country, and so I'm gonna take the train to Yerevan, and I booked a couple nights. I'm only gonna be down there for a couple nights, and I'm staying at the Marriott downtown. And hopefully they have a good pool. I bring in my swimming trunks, and I'm gonna journal and relax. And I don't know exactly how much filming I'm gonna do. Walk around downtown Yerevan maybe a little bit. But this is kind of a relaxation trip. Not that I work all that hard to begin with, but this is, you know, it's sort of a play trip. And I hate flying, so the train is just going to be luxurious. I've got a first class sleeper cabin, so who knows how that'll be, but takes all night. We got to cross the Armenian border in the middle of the night. Okay, I'll check in later. I'll show you what the train looks like and stuff. Okay. So my ticket is for train 371 and the big board. Where's the big board? The big board right there says 371 is on platform 3. And it says platform 3 this way. Here are the stairs down to platform 3. That's over there is platform 2, those stairs right there. And I think this goes in both directions. In front of me and behind me also, on the other side of the train station. Yep, so platform 3 goes out the south side also. The one I just looked at was to the north. And here it is to the south. Tbilisi train station. Kind of cool. And I will head down there in a while. It's still too early. Train's at 8:20. And it's 7 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna go sit down in the train station for a while and watch girls. Lots of pretty girls running around this train station, let me tell you. So I forgot my charging cable. Actually, that's not exactly true. I have a really short one with me, and I just bought a meter long one, USB 3 to Type C, and I checked my phone and it works. It looks like a nice one. Paid I don't know, $11 for it or something like that. We'll focus. So there's no power really to the car yet. Or not much. I am in bed. I have seat number 9, room number 5, car number 11. There's actually not even a locomotive hooked up to this yet. So I should sit down and relax, but I'm just not a good sit down and relax type. I'm more like a better have my hand on a mouse type. Okay.
Спасибо.
It'll be interesting to see how straight and smooth these tracks are. The tracks in Spain were terrible. Leaving Pamplona. Actually, no, leaving Madrid, going to Pamplona, they were terrible. The tracks were just horrible. And I think that's all been rebuilt. That was in 2010. I'm pretty sure that's all been rebuilt. Can you see me? This is, I don't have a partner in my room here. Unless, of course, I paid for both of these, which I don't think I did. Most everybody else is traveling in pairs or little families. And we'll see what happens. So the little family next door dropped off a suitcase, which means I will have this to myself, I think. Hopefully they won't need the suitcase or anything in it. But this worked out just fine, I think. I get the cabin to myself. Although I usually like chatting with people. Who knows? We'll see. 8:20 exactly, and we take off. Not a second later. Kind of cool. So this is new to me. Oh, there's a moon. They turned the AC on, which is really nice. Guy came through and closed all the windows everywhere. And now the AC's working, coming out of here. And it feels great. Where are we? How cool, junkyard. So we stopped at some place called the Revenue Service, or that's what it says on the building. Revenue Service. Hang on. We're close to the border. We're not at the border yet, but we're close.
Здравствуйте.
Hi.
Do you have anything to
Somebody just came by and asked me if I had anything to declare. Nope, nothing to declare. So there are stray dogs everywhere here in Tbilisi too. They're tagged and vaccinated, and the locals feed them. So we're waiting in line to have our passports checked. We're checking out of Georgia, I guess. And then we have to go check into Armenia somewhere. Okay, so we are moving. We just started moving, and it's, what time is it? It's 11:15, and my passport, right after we got here, we all got out of the train, and we went and checked out of Georgia. Now we have to go check into Armenia. But when we checked out of Georgia, it was what does that say? Yeah, that's not a time. Yeah, that's not a time. We sat here for about an hour, maybe. And now we're rolling again. Good. Clickety click, click, click. It's good. We'll, roll 100 meters and then stop and get out, and have to check into Armenia. More later. Okay, it's 20 after 1, and we're finally moving, and we sat at the border. We checked out of Georgia, and then we went down a little further and stopped again. And we checked into Armenia, and the Armenian guys came on board with little machines and checked us in. And then the customs guys came in and looked through our suitcases a couple times, and then we just sat here for, God, I don't know how long we've been sitting at the border, a couple hours. And it's 1:20, and we're just now leaving this border area in Armenia. Okay, I'm going to try to get some sleep. See ya. Early morning in Armenia. didn't sleep for shit. So I usually get, 9 hours of fabulous sleep, and maybe I got an hour. The rest of the time I sat here and wiggled. And so I don't know how today's gonna be. Today's gonna be rough. And we're gonna get there like at 7 or 6:30 or something, and I can't get into my hotel until 3. So yikes. Looks just like Tbilisi. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, so this is Yerevan. Here's our train. Here's this building, beautiful train station. Beautiful train station in Yerevan. This is going to be a fun day exploring. I see a metro sign. Very interesting. I'd rather walk though. I've been sitting in a train for 11 hours. And it's cool right now, and it's going to get hot today. So here's Republic Square in Yerevan.
Hey.
Hi. Something's going on today. I don't know what, but there's a million cops around here. So I am in the coffee shop company in Yerevan. It's 8:30. We got here at 7. And I've investigated the Marriott, so I know where I'm going, and I want to find a pharmacy. And I just stopped for coffee and a fruit plate. And Yerevan so far is really cool. I mean, really cool. Beautiful so far. Okay. I'll let you know more later. My room at the Marriott, they said they upgraded me, but this does not feel like an upgrade. It feels like a downgrade. Let's see what the view is. Huh. 5th floor. Okay, let's eat healthfully.